When we send photos on WhatsApp, the app automatically reduces the quality of these photos. This action isn't bad because it allows the smooth transfer of these images and use lower mobile data. But there are moments you want to send images on WhatsApp without losing the quality. For example, if you want to send it for printing or use the images for professional projects. And that's where little tricks come in. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to send images on WhatsApp without losing quality. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Frederick from the Thelionics Creative Studio, where we make better use of technology. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So right on the phone, I'm going to open the WhatsApp app. And now we have the person that we want to send our image. So I'm going to click on this icon to send image. And as you can see, we have this small window popped up. And normally when you want to send an image, we click on gallery, locate the image that you want to send. For example, I would like to send this image right here. And I'm going to click send. This is the regular way to send an image on WhatsApp. So now I'm going to show you the better way to send an image without dropping the quality. So let's go back. So I'm going to click once again on this icon to send image. But this time, instead of clicking the gallery icon, so I'm going to click on document. Click on document. And this time what I'm going to do is to try to go and locate the image that I want to send to another person without losing the quality. So remember, we click on document instead of clicking on the gallery icon. So now I'm going to click on browse other document. And this time I'm going to try to go and locate the image that I want to send. So for example, as you can see by the right, we have the same image that I sent before through the regular way. So this one is having 7.13 megabyte. So I'm going to click on the image, and you see we have this small message that came up asking if I really want to send the image. So I'm going to click on send. And now, as you can see, we have difference. The first one that I sent in a regular way, you can see we have a very visible and big thumbnail that shows that the image has been sent. And the other one, you can see that we have a little bit more details about the image. So we have the name of the image right here and the type of the image, which is here JPEG, and also the size of the image. We have this both here. So the difference between these two images is that the second one is actually going to retain the quality of the image. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to my second phone to show you the difference between the two images that we sent. So let's jump over. So right on the second phone here, you can see that we have the two images that we sent from the other phone. So I'm going to click on the first one to see the size of this image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the three dots above, view in gallery, view in photos, and afterwards I'm going to click on this three dots here and click on details. So right, as you can see, we have 250 KB here, 255 KB. That's the size of the image. So which means this image has really dropped the quality. So let's go back to the second to the second image to see the size of this image. So we're back to WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on the second image right now to see the size of this image to find out if the app really retained the quality of this image. So I click on it, and now I'm going to use the same one again. So we have it here. So we're going to follow the same step that we followed before. So I'm gonna click on this one, then we're gonna click on details. Right, as you can see here, this image retain the size and the quality. So it means that this image can be used for printing. You can use it for any other professional project that you have pending. Why? Because the app retain the quality of the image. If you have any other way on how to send image via WhatsApp app without dropping quality, please drop the comment below. Let's share the idea together. So that's going to be all in this tutorial. I hope you find value in this video. If you do, please don't forget to smash the like button. If you have not subscribed yet, click on that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.